Hi, I'm Priyadashini. Today I've come up with another interesting recipe, strawberry cake. So as Easter special, come let's get started. For strawberry cake, I've taken 100 grams of butter, 200 grams of powdered sugar, mix this well. Now the sugar and butter are mixed well. Now add 1 egg. Now add 60 ml of strawberry puree. Teaspoon of vanilla essence. Pink food color. Now before adding our dry ingredients, let's switch on our Navigenio. So today we are going to make our strawberry cake using our Navigenio. I've taken 3.5 liters roaster. Switch on the Navigenio. Now set the audio thumb the roasting video. You can check I have connected my phone as well. While the pot is getting preheated, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Baking soda, teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 180 gram maida. Now using cut and fold method, let's mix the batter together. Add 60 ml of milk. Now the batter is ready, so we'll check with the Navigenio. You can see it has reached the roasting window, so switch off the Navigenio, switch off the audio thumb. Now place the lid inverted. Place the pot on top of the lid. Now place the butter sheet. And just pour the cake batter. Place Navigenio on top of the pot. Switch on the Navigenio to level 1. Switch on the audio thumb in the baking window for about 3 minutes. So you can see your Wi-Fi symbol. So thereby the Navigenio is connected to the audio thumb. I've connected my phone as well. Now the baking time is finished, so we'll switch off the audio thumb. Switch off the audio of the Navigenio, switch off the audio thumb. Now we have to keep it in residual heat, so I'm switching on the audio thumb. This is kitchen timer for about 10 minutes. You can check my phone as well. So after 10 minutes our cake will be ready. Now the residual heat is finished, so I am switching off the audio thumb. So our cake is ready now. You can see Easter special strawberry cake is ready.